Good morning. Today is January 15, 2024 Monday, and here are the 10:30 a.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SLs for 3:10:30 a.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Monday, January 15, 2024. Here are the SLs for 3:10:30 a.m. result for Mandaue City under Piona Trading Supply Corporation for Monday, January 15, 2024. Thank you for watching this 10:30 a.m. video for morning of Monday, January 15, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.